The Cubot KingKong ES5 and KingKong ES Pro may look like very similar rugged phones, but they are aimed at different buyers. One prioritizes a bigger screen, longer battery life, and more features, while the other keeps things simpler and more compact. So, which one should you actually buy? Choose the Cubot KingKong ES Pro if you want a simpler, smaller, rugged phone for basic use and can find it at a genuinely low price. Choose the Cubot KingKong ES5 if you need longer battery life, a larger and smoother screen, more storage, NFC, and stronger overall equipment. My final recommendation is the KingKong ES5. It is the more balanced and capable phone, and the differences will be noticeable in everyday use.